What's up guys? This is my new toy to play. Welcome to Husky FE350s in the house, guys. This is awesome. Look at this beautiful machine. I just picked her up yesterday, and she's gorgeous. Beautiful off-road machine, and I absolutely love it. This is the first off-road section I just did on this bike, and just love it. This is a beautiful bike. I will tell you more what I did and why I will tell you more why I bought it, but right now I'm gonna enjoy her, travel through some section here. And I'm not getting rid of my KTM 890, guys. So KTM 890 Adventure R is staying, but this is gonna be more for forest trail ride and single track. Colorado, Utah, all these trips that I having a plan. I may do that on my new Husky FE350. Look at this machine. It just kills through this dirt, and cannot be happy enough to say or regret my decision, because I love it. I absolutely love this. See what down there. Man, this is beautiful. This machine is super cool, guys. This is awesome. Look at this. Nice. Very nice. I don't think I can go further down. Yeah, there's an airport thing here, so maybe. Beautiful. Alright, let's get back. I'm gonna fill up the gas. Beautiful. You're gonna enjoy, trust me. I went through many bikes lately, but I feel like I found the right one for me. Enough power, great suspension, guys, great suspension. This one has a WP Explorer, one of the best suspension out there for Husky 350s, and it's just great. Can't go wrong. So I'm filling up gas. When you ride bike that doesn't have much luggage or anything, guys, buy something like this. This is from Giant Loop. This is where I can keep my wallet or some other like snacks or some critical stuff, so I don't have to worry about, you know, looking inside the pant in a pocket, in a pant pocket, and figure out what to do. So I'm gonna fill it up, guys, and talk to you all in a bit. So I filled up about 1.17 gallon. This is about 2.5 gallon tank, guys. So I had a reset. Let me see. So it ran about close to 70 miles with almost a little over 1 gallon. So it's actually not bad for this dual sport bike. So I can plan my trip. I can plan my trip like 80 miles, 90 miles. Every 90 miles I can go without worry. Well, in this bike I need a break at least about close to every 100 miles, 80 miles. So I can plan my good off-road trip on this bike as long as I have a good gas station available within 80 miles of distance. Nice. All right, let's find some way and hit the road. Okay, let's try this little gravel section. Nice. This is beautiful. Great. What this bike is about. Feels so much lighter, so much nimble than my 890, of course. More control, you get more confidence. Who cares if you drop it? Actually, I do. Alright guys, this is all I wanted to do fun today. I'm gonna hit back home and you all have a blessed Sunday. I hope you like my new Husky FE350s.